Here I'm going to show you how I can create a landing page with a cover page. The advantage of it is that, there are multiple Squarespace plans. Cover pages are covered under every single plan. So it's always nice if you just want one page, that introduces yourself, for example. So I'll call it landing page. And then you can select the layout. And you can really kind of see all the layouts possible. If it's a personal page, it can be any of those. This one looks kind of cool, haven't used it yet. Let's do save. For the branding and text, since it's a personal page, unless you have a logo, I would just put my name here. And then headline will probably be what you do. And for body, it will probably cover just a little blurb about you. You can save that. You can always change that. It's never the last draft. Media, images, video, I don't know if you want to do that because it is an intro to yourself unless you're talking, but people won't be able to hear you. Images, upload. I will put some random picture here for now, and I would definitely call that picture with your name, again for SEO purposes. Let's go back. Then you have actions, and that is what you want people to do from that landing page. If you want people to contact you, I would actually do a form. Contact me, edit the form. I would also change the form name, mostly to keep track of what form people filled out, because if you have multiple forms throughout your website, it's going to be very hard to keep track of all of the forms that you have. So if you can, contact me landing page, whenever you get a form filled out, you'll know where it came from. And, you can add any form fields, and I can definitely cover that on another video. For storage, make sure that you do connect it to something. It would probably be connect. If you want to connect it to Google Drive, it will create an Excel sheet for you. MailChimp is definitely also possible. Advanced, it would be kind of what people will click on. For example, I would put send. Post submit message is what people will see once they submit your form, and this is definitely more hands-on custom code that you can do if you know how to. Save. And what this will do is whenever people land on this page, they go to contact me and they see this form. Okay. And then you have the social icons. So if you did connect your social media accounts, they should show up somewhere here and you can customize them. And then style, you can pretty much play with all the fonts and the colors and the button. Overlay color over this image, so let's do that, for example, and you can, I guess, kind of customize what type of overlay color you want. Branding would be this, and as you see, as you go, you can kind of click on anything that you want to customize and it will show right here, which is kind of great when you get overwhelmed with the style editor. So you select whatever font, whatever size, weight is, how bold you want that text to be. And you can look more into what other options you have, you can always play around with it. And then you save. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty simple. If you don't want a form, if you want people to actually go on your website, you can go to Action, you do navigation, and let's say you have a home page. Sorry. Click here, Content, because the pages should already be done. This would be home. If you want it to open in a new window, that's an option. And then, you probably want to remove this. Save. And as you saw, you can have both. Contact me and the navigation. I would probably pick one out of both of them because you don't want people to have too many options. You really want to guide them towards what you want them to do. In this little icon, the other things that you can do is, rename the title, page title, description, and URL slug is how it ends in your URL. You can set it as a home page or duplicate it. You can also put a password if you don't want people to actually see the page yet. Media, I would add a thumbnail image just in case it shows up when you share it on social media. And for while it loads, for advanced, it just shows where you can put more custom code. But if you want to add more custom code, I would just create an actual page and build it however you want. I wouldn't add too much custom code on the cover page. You can save. And here you have it.